So customer says it does have kind of a hard start to it. Has a hum, which we told him the compressor hum is normal. But then he said he's had to move the unit because it's walking off the pad. So we're gonna do a couple starts on this thing, see what we can make it do. But he has a free maintenance, so we're doing that today. See if anything is abnormal. Well, just checking the amp draws. We got, well, right now it's hovering between 15.9 and 16. Max rating on this is 17.9. And fan is over amping a little bit, 1 out of 0.95. But we got good. Refrigerant's still looking good from when we topped it off. So let's test the capacitor here and let's see what we got. Do you want to do it? I mean, the compressor. Oh, yeah. Is that? Yeah.
Brown. Is it nothing?
2.23.
Yeah. That's the issue.
That's the issue. I guess we'll get the actual rating. Let's see.
Yeah.
All right, out. And yeah, right. 352.
16.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, I'm gonna go press one on that.
She's in spec. That's probably why he's hearing it. And then that fan, that's already going to be low. 0.44. If you guys didn't know how to check capacitors while it's running, you 2652 times that amp 0.45 divided by the voltage, $299, give you around a 3.9, so 4. So that capacitor is also, on the fan side, is also low. It's probably why our amps are a little high. We love our turbos.
It's gonna go under your meter, right?
Okay. We had about 16 amps. Now we're down to 12. 12.4. And then fan motor. Look at that. 0.79. 0.8.